welcome back to my channel, Black Pearl 81. If you don't mind this time, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button so you can continue getting more videos from me in regards to my sister lock journey and overall health and fitness. Now, I went to my local Whole Foods recently, and in preparation for my install that's going to be coming up in a couple more days, I went ahead and got a couple products that I know I'll be using throughout my journey. I've been using through my natural hair journey and just overall taking care of my skin. I've been using these two products, and I'm going to stick to those two products because I can use it for my hair, continue to use it for my skin, and just, I have two main products that I use and I'm going to continue to use, period. Okay? When it comes to oils. And that is the castor oil. And this is the 365 brand that I got from Whole Foods. And this is going to last us just a long, long time. Okay? So I'm going to have some, keep this in my cabinet. And then I got the sweet almond oil. It's for skin care. That's what it's typically known for, skin care and hair, your scalp. I got these two, and I will be keeping these stored like I usually do under my cabinet in my bathroom. Nowhere special. These are my main oils I will be using and continue to use on my sister lock journey. I got two essential oils. You cannot go wrong with tea tree oil. It helps to keep the scalp clean. It helps with any type of tingling, funkiness you might be trying to have going on with your scalp. Once I get my sister locks installed, I kind of want to have this on hand. I had it on hand a long time ago, but with all the moving back and forth and packing and shipping, it kind of got wasted somehow. And it smelled like tea tree oil in the whole box. It was horrific. Tea tree is a strong oil. So I'm going to be using a few drops of these tea tree oil in my spray bottles that I have. To kind of refresh my scalp in between washes. And I also got the organic peppermint oil as well. Once again, it's soothing to the scalp. It helps to stimulate your scalp, helps with itching and just the overall discomfort that you may experience with any type of locks or sister locks especially. So I wanted to have these products on hand just in case I experience something wacky in the middle of the night, 3 o'clock in the morning, and be in a dreaded situation where I have to be scratching at my hair throughout the night. I just want to have them on hand just in case I experience any of those issues that I've been reading about and researching about. And of course, I started off with a bottle of rose water. When I say started out, I'm going to start making my own rose water after this is all up and just putting it into this bottle. Okay? It smells great. It is the Heritage Store brand. And I already had, I like the smell of rose water. I love it. I really do. Not so much for my skin, but a toner for your face, your hair, your scalp. It smells great. It smells really, really, really great. I'll be actually just reusing this bottle again, like I said. I got some already in my cabinet, in my hair cabinet, but it has glycerin in it. And any product that contains glycerin, when you go get sister locks, you don't want to be putting anything that's going to cause extra slippage, and that glycerin will start slipping down the lock. So I won't be using that product anymore. I'll be just using it on my daughter's hair. But that's all I got. Oh, one more thing. The infamous witch hazel. This is the Dickinson's brand. That's all they had available. This is the Dickinson brand witch hazel. Once again, I got this just in case my scalp gets to go on through a itchy phase. I'm going to dab some of this on a little cotton ball and just tap it to whatever area needs attention. Or take a little Q-tip, dip it in there, and just rub it in to any area of my scalp that needs some attention. So I'm glad I got these products on hand. I would share a video at the end so you all can kind of see the products themselves and what brands they were. Like I said, I'm looking forward to my sister lock starting this journey. You all, I got 2 more days as of the end of this video. 2 more days. I will be officially in this sister lock community, in the sisterhood. I cannot wait. I have not did anything to my hair, you all, since I colored it last weekend and blow dried it out. I haven't did anything. I've been a lazy natural, loose natural this week, as leading up to my Sisterlocks installation. I knew I wasn't going to do anything extra to my hair, no manipulation, especially after I got that color put in my hair last week. So, but I will be jumping on here later and just showing you all my last preparation for my Sisterlocks journey before it begins. I will be doing my last loose natural wash with just shampoo, no conditioners. No conditioner. I'm not going to use any conditioner on my hair initially, of course, because I really want them to settle in fine for the first 4 weeks once I get them installed. So I am going to be washing my hair one last time before my installation in 2 days from now. And I'm going to do a slight little blow dry just with a little tension, the tension method. And then I'm going to flat twist it going back. So my color is still looking great. It's hanging on. I'm still satisfied with the color. And I actually came in about 10 inches still on my hair. Kind of wanting to keep it the same length, you know, to help with my price quote for my installation. So we got 10 inches going on here. And I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to just be flowing in the wind with my Sisterlocks and not any natural loose hair. But all right, ladies and gents, it was a pleasure to stop in here with you all and just stay posted for my next video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.